Alright guys, if you're on my Facebook page, you will notice that for a while now I have not been uploading videos, and even the ones that I have, I just deleted all of them. So reason being that I'm busy focusing on learning skills like website creation. So that is what I'm going to be teaching you guys on my Facebook page from now henceforth. I'm going to be teaching you how to create a website from scratch till monetization level, both on how you can actually index your website, submit your website to Google Search Console, Bing Webmaster Tools, Yandex Webmaster Tools. So for your website to be indexed. So everything that you really need to know from scratch, I'm going to be teaching you guys from now henceforth. But this project is going to commence on by next month, because I actually need new website. So I will be using to teach you guys from scratch till monetization level. So I will tell you everything you need to know, all the secrets. Reason for me to be teaching you guys free of charge, I noticed that a lot of people are spending a lot of money, just to hire someone to do the job for them. So this is absolutely crazy, insane. So which I won't blame them, because that is their work. They need to charge you if you want them to do it for you. But I just want to give you this value free of charge. What I need you guys to do is to follow me on my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So my teaching here is going to be absolutely free of charge. I'm not charging you anything. So if you are going to need my support, when you start your website journey, all you need to do is keep on following me. I will actually tell you the requirement, but not in a monetary form like collecting money. No, I will actually maybe tell you if you need my listing, you need to be my top fan also. So that means you need to be active follower. So that is where I will give you my number. Then we shout. If you have any issue, I will actually try to help the ones that I know. But because the more I'm going, the more I'm learning, and actually what I'm learning is what I'm passing to you guys. So that is the whole idea here. So I'm going to be teaching you guys everything free of charge without collecting anything from anybody, please. So that is what I have for now, and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube is already monetized, because what I'm going to actually be doing as well is that I will, after creating the website till monetization level, then I will also teach you guys how to monetize your YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is monetized under 1 month. I will share with you guys the secret. So that is it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you soon. But from I'm going to be telling you guys things you need to know before I commence the website. What you actually need for your website to monetize. So I will actually be teaching you guys all these things. So by next month I will commence the project on website creation. So because I need to host a website. So that is it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and kindly share this video.